Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. How do I do it? Now I have these 5 excellent tips to use in your kitchen and some outside it, but all very useful and practical, so we see what they are. Have you ever happened to them that they can't open a bottle no matter how strong family to see who could open it? Well, with this tip that will be a thing of the past, and will open it very fast. They just have to grab a knife and very carefully make a small hole at the top of the lid and ready. They can already open it without problems, since everything the air came out and there is no vacuum that stops it. Just take into account that this should do so for the bottles that will no longer keep again with plenty, since I will not cover it tightly. Are they going to have a meeting but do not want to have the department separated from the snack they are going to put so that not everyone is putting their hands to the bottle? Well, with this tip they will remain in the same place and well presented. Take a glass, either glass or plastic such as the one that I show them on the screen, and put it in the middle of the bowl and fill out of their favorite snack, in this case Popes. Since it is completely full or as far as you want, you fill the cup with the dip, but as in this case the cup has a hole where this can fall, they only break some potatoes and fill it, and then empty the dip in the cup and already have a bowl with integrated dip. And no one will have to walk the hands to the bottle, and will be available to everyone so that they can enjoy it as we can appreciate in the video. I did not endure the temptation, and I had to make the sacrifice to grab a Pope and do the test. We usually have to heat more than one dish when we are going to use the microwave, either because we are eating with our partner, family, or friends, but unfortunately they do not fit. But with this advice, they can put 2 dishes at the same time with only 1 cup. Just try to make the base wide to hold the plate well. And we just put it face down and place the second dish above it. As you can see perfectly, and can heat 2 dishes at the same time without falling and preventing the food from cooling from the other, and thus always being able to enjoy their hot food. It is always very laborious to wash the glass of the blender and more if we made sauces or liquefied, because we have to put our hands down, and it is not comfortable, but doing so apart from that it will be very clean will do it very fast. Just put a little water in the glass, and with a sponge with which they clean, subdue it in their disruption soap and throw all the foam inside the glass. Take a lot to make it clean. We put our glass in the blender with everything and cover it, and put it to work at a high level for a few seconds, or since we see that what we want to clean are removed. Since this happens we turn it off and ready, we go to the sink to rinse. Already in the sink we only put a little more water, and stir it so that all the soap that is accumulated is removed, but it is ready to reuse. If we only give a pass to the outside, but it is practically very clean and effortless. We are doing soup or pasta, and we leave the pot neglected, and since we arrived, everything is overwhelmed. Do not worry, with just putting a wooden palita on the pot will help not get any liquid out since it makes the foam remain inside. I guess it's because it absorbs moisture, but I don't know the scientific explanation that this happens, but believe me that it will help them a lot. You will see that these 5 tips will help them a lot to make things in the kitchen a little easier and help them their daily life. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends, and acquaintances, give you like on the Facebook page and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very much utility. Thanks for seeing, and hopefully this advice has served you. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.